Have you ever heard whispers of Philippine spies, those unsung heroes who operate in the shadows? Patrolling the vast and contested waters of the West Philippine Sea, these operatives are always on high alert. It's a dangerous game of cat and mouse, where every move is calculated and every decision could mean the difference between peace and conflict. The Philippines, a nation facing a powerful giant like China, relies on one crucial tool: intelligence. In the war rooms and strategy meetings, every piece of information is dissected and analyzed. These covert operations are the country's secret weapon in this high-stakes battle for maritime dominance. Under the cover of darkness, these brave men and women carry out missions that are critical to national security. The information these brave operatives gather helps the Philippines anticipate threats and protect their territory. From satellite images to intercepted communications, every bit of data is a piece of the puzzle. It's a world of shadows and secrets where the line between truth and fiction is blurred. In this clandestine world, trust is a rare commodity and betrayal can come from the most unexpected places. Join me as we delve into the world of Philippine intelligence and uncover the untold stories of their fight for the West Philippine Sea. We'll explore the history, the strategies, and the personal sacrifices made by these guardians of the sea. From the early days of maritime conflicts to the modern-day standoffs, we'll see how intelligence has shaped the course of history. So stay with us as we embark on this journey into the heart of the West Philippine Sea, where every wave carries a story and every shadow hides a secret. Little is known about the training of these Filipino operatives. They are ghosts in the machine, their skills honed in secrecy. Some speculate they undergo rigorous training, learning the art of camouflage, hand-to-hand combat, and underwater navigation. Rumors swirl about hidden bases scattered across the islands, disguised as fishing outposts or weather stations. These clandestine locations serve as listening posts, gathering crucial intel on Chinese activity. Even more daring are the whispers of operatives embedded within the local fishing communities. Disguised as fishermen, they provide a constant stream of real-time information from the front lines of the maritime dispute. The Philippines employs a combination of low-tech cunning and high-tech surveillance to monitor Chinese movements. Drones, with their silent wings and watchful eyes, provide a bird's-eye view of the vast sea. Radar stations, strategically positioned on remote islands, track the movement of ships, their signals piercing the veil of secrecy. But the most valuable asset is often the simplest: the Filipino fishermen. These seasoned seafarers, with generations of knowledge passed down, are the eyes and ears of the Philippines. They report unusual activity, providing invaluable human intelligence that complements the technological advancements. The Philippines understands the power of alliances. It's rumored that they work closely with international intelligence agencies, sharing information and resources in a united front against Chinese expansionism. The United States, with its advanced satellite network and global reach, is a crucial ally. Japan and Australia, also wary of China's growing influence, are believed to provide support through shared intelligence networks. These partnerships are essential, providing the Philippines with access to cutting-edge technology and a broader perspective on Chinese activities in the region. In the vast expanse of the West Philippine Sea, a world of mystery and danger unfolds beneath the waves. The life of a Philippine operative in the West Philippine Sea is fraught with danger. These brave men and women are the silent sentinels, ever watchful, ever ready to respond to threats that lurk in the deep blue. They undertake high-risk missions, venturing into the lion's den to gather vital information. Each step they take is calculated, every move a delicate dance with danger as they navigate through hostile territories and treacherous waters. Underwater reconnaissance is a dangerous game. The divers, trained to the peak of physical and mental endurance, face the unknown with every dive. The ocean is their battlefield and silence is their ally. Divers equipped with specialized gear slip beneath the waves to observe Chinese submarine activity and map sensitive areas. Their mission is to gather intelligence without being detected, a task that requires precision, patience, and nerves of steel. Electronic eavesdropping is another critical aspect of their operations. With advanced technology at their fingertips, they intercept communications, decode encrypted messages, and stay one step ahead of potential threats. Dark ships disguised as fishing vessels or cargo ships patrol the shipping lanes, their hulls bristling with antennas, intercepting Chinese communications. These covert operations are the eyes and ears of the Philippine defense, providing crucial intelligence that shapes strategic decisions. Every mission is a gamble, a test of skill and nerve against the ever-present threat of discovery. The operatives know that one misstep could mean the difference between success and failure, between life and death. Their resolve is unshakable, their dedication unwavering, as they plunge into the depths of intrigue, protecting their nation's sovereignty with every breath they take. Intelligence is the invisible hand that guides the Philippines' strategy in the West Philippine Sea. By anticipating Chinese moves, they can effectively counter them, challenging the narrative of Chinese dominance. The knowledge gained through these covert operations has empowered the Philippines to take a more assertive stance. The constant surveillance acts as a deterrent, reminding China that its actions are being closely watched. This information warfare is a powerful tool, allowing the Philippines to expose Chinese activities, rally international support, and level the playing field in this geopolitical chess match. The West Philippine Sea, a region fraught with geopolitical tension, is not just a theater of naval confrontations and territorial disputes. It is also a covert battleground where intelligence operations play a crucial role in shaping the outcomes of these conflicts. The fight for the West Philippine Sea is not just about ships and missiles. It's about information, secrets, and the courage to seek them out. Intelligence agencies from various nations are constantly at work gathering data, intercepting communications, and analyzing every piece of information to gain an upper hand. The role of intelligence will only become more critical in the years to come. As nations vie for control over this strategic maritime region, the ability to gather and interpret intelligence will be a decisive factor. The stakes are high, and the margin for error is slim. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more sophisticated methods of surveillance and espionage employed in this volatile region. From high-resolution satellite imagery to cyber espionage, the tools at the disposal of intelligence agencies are becoming increasingly advanced and precise. The unsung heroes of Philippine intelligence will continue to operate in the shadows, risking their lives to protect their country's sovereignty. These operatives, often working under the radar, play a pivotal role in ensuring that the Philippines remains informed and prepared for any eventuality. Their stories may remain untold, their identities forever secret, but their impact on the fate of the West Philippine Sea is undeniable. These brave men and women are the silent sentinels standing guard over their nation's interests, often at great personal risk. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and never underestimate the power of secrets. In this age of information warfare, knowledge is not just power, it is the key to survival and success. The future of the West Philippine Sea will be shaped not just by the might of navies, but by the unseen efforts of those who work tirelessly behind the scenes.